I cleaned up my bench a little bit to show you how do we do masking tape joinery. It's not really joinery, it's just we're using the masking tape besides clamping. And it works very well on small items, especially if something mitered, you can wrap it around. I have a straight edge and keep my pieces against the straight edge, and I just tape it. First, make sure everything is against the straight edge, so when I fold this box together, it's gonna be nice and level. Put one on the top, one on the bottom. Check that it's nice and straight. Turn it over. Put some glue on it. You want to be generous with the glue on the inside corners. Take it away from my straight edge. I don't want to mess up my straight edge. When something is mitered, you're dealing with end grain. You want to be generous with the glue. I want to make sure the inside corner, which I'm looking here now, which is going to be the outside corner, that has plenty of glue. And I am almost skimping on the inside because when I fold, I don't want to have much squeeze out. Double check it, make sure I have glue everywhere. And just fold it up. Couldn't be any easier. Line up the corner very nicely, pull on the tape, and push it on there. If you see someplace movement, you can do things like double up with the tape. Push down on it and pull with the roll, and then you rip it off. It's a nice squeeze out on the outside corner. Have to check it for square. It's a little bit out. There. Beautiful.